back to my channel. So today I'm going to do one more try at these blooming coasters. I'm going to be using this color paste in combination with this color pigment. And I'm going to be using 2 alcohol inks for my colors. I'm going to use just one mold, so just a normal one, and I'm going to fill it up like halfway, so I'm not going to make it as thick. And I'm going to try and use the Mastercast resin again, just to see if I can make it work. Yeah, just let's go and mix up some resin, and I'll get back to you when I'm ready to start my flower. Let's start by mixing up our white. I'm going to use my pristine white drops first. Make sure you shake the bottle because the pigment is quite heavy and tends to fall to the bottom. Let's just do 2 drops because I want it to be quite transparent. So I'm not going to add a lot of pigment to this one. From the pigment paste, I'm only going to use a tiny amount because I really don't want to overdo it this time. Let's mix it up and see what we get. So this is the color I'm going for. It's a nice milky white. Let's just torch one more time because you don't want to torch your resin when you've got the alcohol drops in it. Let's try and get 1 drop of the red nice and in the center. Maybe 1 more drop. And then I need to move quickly because I want to add the yellow around the red before it spreads too far. And now I'm gonna take my little bamboo skewer and dip it in the white. And then just start by making petals in the red, starting from the center. And I'm not gonna clean my stick in between. And the reason I'm not cleaning my stick in between is because I want the red to go into the yellow so it makes a nice little orangey color. I'm so sorry for blocking the view with my hand. I promise I will do better next time. Okay, so I'm all done with the petals. Now let's do a nice little swirl in the center, like so. As you can see, I ended up with a nice peachy color. That's it. You just now have to wait and let it do its magic and see what we get. Something's happening. It's blooming. I'm so hopeful for this one, so hopefully we have a great unmolding tomorrow. It's unmolding time! So I did 2 little testers off camera, and I kind of want to try and unmold these first. These are foam grip mold. I did these a little bit different. I actually put the stick in and made circles and then pulled in from the sides. So let's look at this one. So this is the back side and this should be the front. Oh wow, look at that. This is amazing. Look at how gorgeous that turned out. So I just did 2 drops of blue alcohol ink. So let's take this one out. I think actually I made this one with petals, and afterwards I pulled the sides in just a little bit extra and then swirled it. And this one I did with the rings. So I just did rings and then pulled it in. So let's see the underside. Oh my, it worked out so well. Oh, I can't wait to see the big one, because this was just done with the leftovers I had. So this resin was already pretty set up. So it's already looking really nice and wispy. Let's just unmold it. Like, this is the back side. Look at how gorgeous. Okay, let me flip it. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, it's so 3D. This is an absolute winner. I can't believe it took me only 3 tries to get this good of a result. In real life, it's even better than on camera. It's gorgeous. And it's so wispy. I'm so happy. Thank you, Julie, for doing all the footwork and showing us exactly what to do. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe and put on your notifications. I don't like asking, but it will help my channel. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, everyone!